Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 5.15. It is asking that print such triangles. Use the statements print a space and also print a line. So let's start. Power print is equals to 1 less than or equal to 10 row classes infinity static sorry for and column is equals to 1 column is less than or equal to row C++ and static only print image. So let's check what is the output of this program. Let's do here the only print statement. Now this is the first triangle of the question, I think. Yes, this is this triangle. Now let's do this one. Just copy this and paste it. So here now we need to bring some change. That change will be here equal to 10. Now we need to change the value of this 10 and also change this value to opposite of that, and also erase this and also get minus here. Now at the first time this row is equals to 10. Now it will this loop will execute 10 times. So the first time it will print 10 statics, and then it will get decreasing till it will row become equal to 1. So now let's also separate this. This is B item, also this is A. So let's save this, execute it. Now A is this one and B is this one. So let's check that this is A and this is B. Now let's start this one. So just copy this loops, C, and this is for C. So now we need to, when we print this 10 times, we should on the next time it must print one space. So now we must have some another for loop here because for spacing and space is equals to 10 space is equals than, sorry, I think greater than row, now space minus minus. So it will print only a space. So let's check this. For C it is also correct. So let's check what is next. The next one is, first it will print space, then it will print *x. So let's do this. Now let's copy it from here. And this is for D. So this is row 1 minus minus. Just now here space is equals to 1, and this is plus plus. So I think it will work. So let's print it. Let's execute it like B. So I think we have some mistakes here. This column should be equal to 10, and this should be minus minus. This change is, I think, not correct. Yeah, sorry, here I have a problem that you have to make it greater than. So now it will print, let's check what is on D. Space is first thing. Sorry, I have a problem here. Let's recheck the program. Row this must be listing. Yes, it is listing. Now let's check again. It is working. So we solved this question successfully. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel to get my next videos, please, and please press the bell icon to get notification from the new videos. Thank you for watching.